Interoperability is crucial in cryptocurrencies. Without it, innovation is stifled and DeFi would be very difficult to grow. Jamie, you're really making a huge deal out of it. It is so important because it solves the problem of fragmentation in the blockchain ecosystem. Communication between blockchains can now be seamless, which means more opportunities for developers, businesses, and users to leverage existing infrastructure and build stronger applications. This leads to another question. Which interoperable project should you pay attention to, or which ones are likely to ride the next crypto rally? Well, I have done my research and now I present to you my top 5 picks in this sector. The first one is the king of connecting dots of the crypto universe together, and that is Polkadot. Polkadot is like a bridge that connects different blockchains together. It helps them work together smoothly and easily. There are 2 main parts to Polkadot, the relay chain and the parachains. The relay chain is the main network that keeps track of all the transactions, while the parachains are customized networks that people can create for specific purposes. These parachains have the same level of security as the main chain, which is pretty cool. To create their own parachains, developers can use Substrate, which is a framework for building crypto and decentralized systems. Once a parachain is connected to Polkadot, it can interact with other parachains on the network. So Polkadot basically acts like a big network where different chains can talk to each other and transfer things at the same time. Polkadot has raised around $200 million from investors through the 2 sales of its DOT token, making it one of the most well-funded crypto projects to date. The next project that I'm going to introduce is uniting the whole blockchain galaxy together for any possibilities you could think of, and that is Cosmos. Cosmos aims to create an interconnected network of blockchains. It has a main chain called Cosmos Hub, which acts as a central ledger, and developers can create their own customizable blockchains within this network known as zones. These zones allow developers to create their own crypto and set specific rules for block validation. The Cosmos Hub used the IBC to enable fast communication between the connected zones, earning its nickname Internet of Blockchain. Atom is the native coin of the Cosmos ecosystem and serves multiple purposes. First is used for transaction fees, with the fee amount being proportional to the computational power required. Second, Atom is utilized for participating in the governance system of the Cosmos Hub, allowing Atom holders to have a say in decision making. Lastly, Atom can be staked behind validators to earn rewards through the consensus algorithm. I can definitely see its continued growth of popularity, and since it is one of the pioneers, it has its first mover advantage, which makes me super bullish on the long run. The third project is honestly feeling the decentralized cross-chain revolution, and that is THORChain. The big problem of decentralized exchanges is the impossibility of exchanging tokens in a cross-chain way. If, let's say, you are on an Ethereum DEX, you will only interact with the tokens from the blockchain, such as wrapped BTC, which is a version of Bitcoin compatible with the ERC20 standard, except it's not Bitcoin. And unless if you go through centralized exchanges like Binance or others, this kind of transaction is impossible. And that's where THORChain comes in. THORChain is a proof-of-stake blockchain created with the Cosmos Tendermint that allows assets to be exchanged between 2 blockchains. The THORChain website offers you a set of solutions developed by the community. Because there's absolutely no company behind the project, the district manages everything. The native token of THORChain is the RUNE token, and its ecosystem has no wrapped tokens. In order for THORChain to work, is more likened to a bridging solution. When a user initiates a cross-chain exchange, the protocol automatically converts the specific token into RUNE. It then exchanges changes RUNE for the token the user wishes to receive in return. Moving on to the next project I'm introducing, I believe will do really well in not only the next bull market, but possibly in the next 5 years, and that is Chainlink. Chainlink is the biggest blockchain data oracle. If you don't know what that is, think of it like this. Sometimes the robot needs information from the real world to make decisions. For example, it might need to know the weather outside to decide if it should wear a jacket or not, but the robot can't go outside or look out the window by itself, and that's where the oracle comes in. An oracle is like a messenger that brings the information from the real world to the robot. It tells the robot what the weather is like outside so that the robot can make the right decision. It helps the robot get the information it needs to work properly, and Chainlink is basically that bridge. It ensures that smart contracts have access to accurate data from off-chain sources in a decentralized manner. Its network consists of numerous independent nodes that retrieve and verify data. This decentralization helps maintain data integrity and prevent single points of failure. I have personally always been a big fan of Chainlink, and I have been stacking up Chainlink in this bear market. Of course, not financial advice. The last one on my list is Kujira. Kujira began as a small protocol on Luna, focusing on Orca, which is a liquidation engine for the Anchor protocol. Many people on Luna borrowed UST and had their loans liquidated. Orca basically helped Kujira capitalize on those profits. Soon, they launched their second product, Fin, which became Luna's first 100% order book style exchange. When they started building Fin, they didn't know that the end of Luna was already close. The day of the Luna collapse, Kujira was basically done. But to everyone's surprise, instead of giving up or moving to another chain, Kujira surprised everyone by announcing their own blockchain. They needed a replacement for Anchor's loans, so they created USK, which is an over-collateralized stablecoin that could be minted by depositing collateral for Orca. So then they had a great foundation. They have USK as the stablecoin, they have Fin as the exchange, and they also have Orca as the liquidation engine. They expanded very quickly and started an incubator program and formed partnerships in the cosmos. Some of the incubated projects even began expanding on their own, so definitely you should put Kujira on your radar. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the most promising interoperable coins in the crypto space. Remember, this list is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own DD and make informed decisions when it comes to investments. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop us a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content like this. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.